Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pabi and thank you so much for stopping by for yet another video. And if you're new here, please make sure that you are subscribed. So I recently popped into my favorite art and crafts store, P&A, and I got this set of coasters, and literally it was only 43 rands. How crazy is that? So what I love about this set is that it comes with a holder as well, which makes it absolutely convenient. So I thought to myself that I could customize it, and that's exactly what I'll be doing in this video. So the color palette that I decided to go for these coasters is black, white, and gold. That I decided to make each coaster have its own design, but with having a color palette, I think it almost like makes them look cohesive type of thing. I really loved making these. I took some inspo from Pinterest, of course, and yeah, I just really had fun painting these. So now with this one, I initially wanted to make like a black and white sunrise type of thing. And then you'll see later on, I'm actually going to wipe off all this hard work, this black and white sun thing that I'm making. And I actually turned it into gold, which was in fact very perfect. I love the fact that I used acrylic paint because it was in fact very forgiving. I was able to make mistakes and correct them as I go because yeah, it dries quick and I can always paint over it. This one has honestly got to be my favorite one out of the 4. So the set came with 6 coasters, but I only decided to paint and personalize 4. And honestly speaking, I love the simplicity in this one. So this one is my favorite. And just let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. So after I was done painting, I stepped outside and had this resin mix. I specifically got this one at Habitat. I'm pretty sure you can get them at Builders Warehouse as well, and any other craft store. So another thing that I did not read on the rules is that you're not supposed to be doing this process in the sun, because what happens is that the solution turns yellow and then it will dry yellow, and you really don't want that. After mixing it thoroughly according to the instructions on the pack, you just pour some of the product onto your coaster to cover it thoroughly, okay? Because we want to make sure that our coasters are waterproof and completely functional. And once all your coasters are completely covered in resin, you can let them dry for more than 24 hours. In fact, I left mine to dry for I think 2 days, just to make sure that it is completely solidified. And there you have the final product, you guys. I really loved creating these, and I absolutely love how they came out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll check you out in my next one. Bye.